Why do I, a media communication student, need to study psychology topics? Well, as a media communication student, we all need to learn how to better communicate with our target audience, effectively convey a message to them, or know how to influence our target audience so as to get our desired outcome. For example, make them buy a certain product. Thus, it is important for us to better understand the human mind and behavior so that we can effectively and efficiently reach out to our target audience. To help you better understand why, I have picked the McDonald's brand as an example. First, we will start with McDonald's aim, which is to be their customers' favorite place and way to eat and drink. Therefore, they focus on the overall customer experience instead of just the McDonald's product itself. This is shown in many parts: their logo, outlets, service, and most importantly, their advertisements. Everyone knows the McDonald's logo. It has the colors red and yellow. Research has shown that red and yellow are chief food colors, evoking taste buds and stimulating customers' appetite. Individually, the color red attracts attention. It also creates excitement, motivating the customers to buy McDonald's on impulse. The color yellow, on the other hand, is associated with joy and energy, making the customers feel happy, alive, and energetic. As it is the color scheme of the logo, naturally the same colors are used for advertisement, and this effect is repeatedly aroused in customers. The colors are under the topic sensation and perception. To recap, sensation is the feelings evoked when the colors were seen, and the perception is when customers relate the feelings of joy to the McDonald's experience. Under the brain functions topic, the emotions of joy are targeted at the intermediate brain, making it more impactful. Next, the setting and atmosphere of the McDonald's outlets. McDonald's only plays sounds that generally create a happy mood or are catchy. This is also part of sensation and perception as well as brain functions topics. Sensation is the music played and the feeling of joy. The target is the intermediate brain, and thus McDonald's is perceived as an enjoyable and happy place to eat. Another point is on the kitchen concept. McDonald's cooking area is not enclosed, thus the food smell is able to travel and spread around the outlet. This is targeted at the primitive brain and the hunger is instigated. The customers are also able to see some of the food being prepared, and this amplifies their urge for food. Service staff are taught to say, "Enjoy a meal when you collect your food." This is subliminal perception as well as open conditioning in action. They use a continuous reinforcement schedule. Every time you buy a meal, you get to enjoy a meal. Lastly, McDonald's advertisements. They play the biggest part due to many factors that relate largely to psychology topics. Memory. Since young, McDonald's advertisements have been played over and over again everywhere around us. This is called rehearsal and makes us remember McDonald's. Classical conditioning. Due to the repetition of advertisements that portray McDonald's as convenient, whenever people feel hungry, they think of food, and whenever they think of food, they think that, hey, McDonald's is fast and convenient. Over time, whenever a person gets hungry, they think of McDonald's. Attention. In McDonald's advertisements, there are many portrayals of family sharing meals. These advertisements are then given attention as they have self-relevance to the audience, as well as contrast with other food advertisements which just focus on mostly how the food tastes. Even the slogan is "I'm loving it." Cognitive learning. In the advertisements that include family and sharing meals, family are the ones that most audiences care about. Thus, after seeing the advertisements, the audience will feel motivated to get a McDonald's meal with their family. The subtle incentive is the time spent with the family. In conclusion, with the help of psychology, McDonald's reached out to the audience effectively, and that resulted in its success and popularity today, which is what media and communication students must learn to do.